Yesterday we had talked about some basics. Today we are going to discuss about cell. So there are 10 million living species on earth. All the living species are made up of cells, either they are unicellular or multicellular. So there are 10 million living species on earth. And all these species are made up of cells. Either they are unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means those species which are made up of only single cell. These are made up of only one cell. And multicellular means the organism is made up of many cells. Means group of cells. And the group of cells is termed as tissues. So basically cell is the simplest collection of matter. So cell is what? Cell is the simplest collection of matter. Cell is the simplest collection of matter. The cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed these cells in a slice of cork. Basically, cork is the dead bark. Where he observed? In the cork. Cork is what? Cork is dead bark. In the slice of cork, he observed that there are many tiny compartments like this. These are like compartments. He observed the honeycomb structure. Means hexagonal rings are attached together by a thick partition. He named them as cells. The word cell is derived from the Latin word cellula, which means that little rooms. That's why he named them as cells. But it was only, they are not cells, it was only cell wall. And all the other parts like cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, all other parts are dead. There is no nucleus, no mitochondria, no cytoplasm. It was only cell wall. And he published this information about his observations in a book called Micrographia. He published all his informations in a book called Micrographia. After this observation, many scientists tried to study the cells in their own ways. After this, a scientist named Antony von Leeuwenhoek. What the name? Antony von Leeuwenhoek. So there is an interesting story about Antony von Leeuwenhoek. He was a very naughty child in his childhood. So their parents sent them to his uncle, and his uncle has a specs shop, and he was so naughty, so he used to take glasses and used to mix and match them, and he tried to make a simple microscope by these glasses, and he saw the first animal living cell. He observed the first animal living cell, and he named them as animalcule. He observed the cell which was unicellular cell, like bacteria, protozoans. He observed a unicellular animal cell which was live. So he was credited to discover the animalcule. He was the discoverer of animalcule. In the year 1673, he invented handcrafted microscope, and he discovered single-celled living cell and called them as animalcule. So he was first biologist to observe the living cell. So this was the discovery of cell. So by this we know that cell is the structural and functional unit of life, and the similarly functioning cells group to form tissue. And the similarly functioning tissues groups to form organ. Organ makes organ system, and organ system makes organism. So this was about discovery of cell, and in the next class we will discuss about cell theory. So there is a question for all of you, that who proposed the cell theory? Who proposed the cell theory? And when? Please answer this question. Thank you.